Hi everyone, this is Princess Ariel. Um, they're saying that, J.K. Rowling is a billionaire again, with her Harry Potter empire, but are you guys seeing a grift here? This lady's never stopped being transphobic. Her entire existence has just been on air being transphobic with all her billions. And I'm just seeing a grift with like people who say negative things about trans people, like 47 saying little boys go to school and then come home little girls and shit like that. Like, what the fuck? And they get money for it. Dave Chapelle had the Netflix show that was transphobic, and he got a pretty good penny from that. You got Jess Hilarious on the Breakfast Club. Every chance she gets, she says something tacky about trans people can't have babies and all this kind of stuff. Like, they're making money just by saying, negative things about trans people. Leah Thomas, who swam with real women in a compete, and now all trans people are responsible for, one person basically swam and won a medal. And it's not a thing because, trans people just want to be left alone. Like, and I just look at women every day. I admire them because they can pump iron, get muscles, and lift weights. I don't do any of that stuff. And I know plenty of trans people who don't do those things. And women fight in the army and the Marines and stuff. And you have to be strong to do that. Women fly airplanes and they do all kinds of things that they dream, they imagine. And I do see women who murder men and they're in prison for it. So I don't think that all women are just this, dainty feminists. I think women come in all facets, shapes, and sizes. Everybody's not going to look like or be like a J.K. Rowling. She thinks that women can't do anything other than, be dainty and give birth. But I just don't get it. I think it's a grift. I think people are just making money off of being transphobic. I think it's a thing. If, trans people are 1% of the population, then how is this a thing? It doesn't even make sense. Make it make sense because it doesn't. And at the end of the day, she can be as transphobic as she want to be, but it's not going to stop people from having, intercourse and giving birth to more trans people because somebody's doing the due to create life. So once the life is here, you can't control how they turn out. They turn out how they're going to turn out. That's just what it is. And so, if you agree or you want to leave a comment, please leave them, your thoughts below. I just think that people are making money off of being transphobic. So, and she's definitely made $1 billion. I don't think it's off of her Harry Potter empire, but okay, if that's what y'all want to believe. But that lady's been out here grifting on transphobia from day one. Bye.